So I want to start out with what we're going to be doing today. As you can see, this is today's lesson. Once you've opened it up, you're going to see your learning target talking about a brief definition of connotation. And then as you scroll through, you're going to get to the meat of what you need to do. I'm just going to take you through the basic process so that you understand what needs to happen. And from there, you can take and do the rest on your own. So if you could pick any one gift, thinking about Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all the deals that are out there, and you could pick one thing for yourself to gift to yourself, what would it be? And that's what you're looking to do here. You're going to fill that out in this slide and then explain to me why. What will you do with this? What's the purpose for it? Why do you want it? This is really what I want to get into, is what you're going to need to do here. So you're going to need to find 3 positive and negative reviews for this item that you wish to gift to yourself. You're going to copy the reviews to keep. So let's get started on that. If I said wanted to look up information about this particular telescope, let's say, okay, and I need to get the reviews, I'm going to come over here to the ratings, and I can see here all of the different reviews. Save yourself the time. Pick some that are 5 and 4 star for your positives and 1 and 2 star for your negatives. And when you go to those particular reviews, you might select this. You're going to highlight the review itself, and you're going to come up and you're going to save it to keep. Remember that little light bulb icon up here in your address bar. Okay? If you are not sure what to do because that's missing or not there, please refer to the video that we made for the assignment about Google Keep, and that will also be linked in the modules that you can access that if you need it. But let's assume that you've taken these 3 positive and these 3 negative reviews from Amazon. You've saved them into Keep. You now are going to take and you are going to go to Keep. You're going to open it up. And I don't know why that's there. I don't want it. I'm going to delete that. And I've already taken and saved some. Now as you notice, it actually saved in 3 separate notes. Not a problem. Just click into each note, hit enter a couple of times, and in capital letters put your first name, and you can even keep the analysis piece in capital as well to be able to see it. But just identify the review above it as whether it is positive or negative. So these 2 happen to be negative, and in here, just the way that this all came over, I had a positive and a negative, and then I have my 2 positives. Okay. Now, normally I would tell you to click on those 3 dots and copy to Google Docs. But because I've got it spread out into 3 different notes, I can actually just click up here on each note and select it so they're all highlighted. And then I can go to the blue 3 dots up here and copy them all to Google Docs. So that's going to do that. And then you see down here and prompted, I can open the doc. And here I have everything all in one place. So this is a way to copy multiple notes from Keep into one doc without needing to try to sift through and pull them in off on the side menu. So I've got everything here that I need. I'm going to replace that URL with its title. And then I'm going to come over here to the blue share button. And just like we've done before, and again, this presentation is also linked in your modules this week, so you can see it there as well. You're going to click down here for Get Link. You're going to change Restricted to Central Square School District. You can make me editor and then copy link. Done. But this time you're actually going to share it in that PowerPoint. The next slide right here is a spot for you to paste that URL. I'm going to paste it right in there, and then I'm going to continue on. And the last part of my assignment is to now practice writing a review of your own for your reflection. So what were your thoughts after today's lesson? What did you think of it? Did you like it? Didn't you like it? Was there anything that was confusing? Anything you wish you had more of? You're going to write your own review style of a reflection for today's class. Well, thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in class.